Hi guys, it's Jenna, and today I am going to take this whalefin Sansevieria apart. So let's begin. I have a very hard time taking this out because it is so rock solid. The soil is so solid, guys, and heavy, and I don't want to ruin the leaf if I take it over. So I don't want to wet the soil because I don't want to have some yucky mud all over. So I'm just gonna have to slowly poke this around and grab the babies as I go, because man, look at the roots. Can you see that? That's so much roots, and I don't want to damage. If there's a baby in her too, I don't want to damage the babies. So let's see how I'm gonna deal with this thing. Let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna slowly and then do this and show you in a little bit. So guys, I have to cut the pot. There's two inside. There's two pots inside. So I just decided to cut this because I couldn't get it out no matter what I do. It was too hard. So no recycling for this nursery pot. So I have to cut this off. I just can't take it apart. That is so hard. So plus my scissors is not the right scissor to use for this. Well guys, took it apart. It's out. Okay, I'm gonna use gloves too. So you might be wondering why I'm using a glove bigger than my hands. It's because when I do the camera, it's easier to take it off and hit the button, the play and stop button. So that's why. And it's easy to take it out whenever I have to grab the plant too. So it's easier to work. Ooh, look at what I see. Oh my goodness, there's a baby. Oh my goodness. Can you see it? I hope you can see it in my camera. I'm gonna move this bucket. Dump this old thing. Wow guys, look at these roots. Wow, there's a baby here. Oh my goodness, how am I gonna take this apart? Look at, there's another one right here. Plus all this, the little roots that has a potential baby coming out on that. And oh my goodness, I'm gonna take this apart one at a time. Slowly though, you guys. So let's see. You probably could hear my fan again because it's so hot. 92 degrees. And when it's 92 degrees in Florida, when it says the temperature, my phone says that it's way hotter than what it says in there. Probably 5 degrees hotter. That's Florida to you. I don't want to hurt the baby, so I have to be careful. I want to show you too this root right here. You see that? That's so interesting. And look at this. If you know, if you've seen a yucca plant, is that how you say it? But looks like that. Look at that. That is so cool. And look at this going down this way, going that way. That is amazing. So I got this one off and this one off. That was so hard, and it ended up snapping, but it's still okay because the roots are everywhere in here, so this is gonna survive. And I will probably plant it like that, you know, so those roots will have room to grow. And then maybe just like that. And then this one too, it came off, so I'm gonna plant this. Hopefully it will grow. And this one probably I have to I don't know what to do. Maybe cut this off? I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try to just do it like this because I have another nursery pot that would fit on this for my friend. So we'll see which one she wants. All right, I'm gonna continue on, guys. Look at this. I found a way and it snapped easy. Is I grab this bottom here and look at that. I can take it apart. This one, another one. So that's good. I hope I can do the same thing. Looks like it. Let me see. Oh, that broke off. But you know what? I'm gonna plant it. I don't know much about Sansevieria, but I know that some of them, my mother-in-law gave me one that were like a small one that's green color, bird's nest, I believe. It was easy too. Even those ones that barely have a root, rooted on the ground, and it has babies. So this is just probably the same thing. So I believe this one is easy now since I grab all those other bottom roots out. So I grabbed that out. That's taken out. Done. So I hope you can hear it. See that? Listen. Wow, my goodness, all over my arm. So that one, guys. Man, I made a big mess. See how much I love you guys? I did that to show you. Oh my goodness, it's all over me now. Alright. So that one, I hope you heard that snap for that mess. So that one, this is cool. Alright guys, so this is so exciting. I hope you're having fun watching this video, taking this giant whale fin off. Look at that. This is like a whole big root stuck together. I don't know what to do. Split it apart or cut it with a knife maybe. Let's see. I have to figure it out. Those two things came off out of the big bunch of 4. So that came off, and this came off with it. So what I did is, like, I see this little gap, that little line in between them. So I put my shovel in between this gap. I hope you can see it right there. So kind of push it. It's juicy, it's got juice on it. Water. I hope I'm showing you what I'm doing. So right here, this too, and then see, there you go, snapped. So let's see how many we got. I have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 big ones, and then the little roots I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's it. 4. Oh, wait a minute. I know there's another one. So this one. 5. No. Yes, 5. I'm getting confused. Alright, I have 5 of this type of roots that have a little thing that is about to shoot out for another baby, and one that is broken, but this hopefully will have a baby. All right guys, so that's it. These are all the things that I separated, and then hopefully some will grow at my friend's house and then some will grow on mine. So in case mine don't thrive, then hers will thrive, so at least we have chances planting in different places. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. So guys, here are my side of the Sansevieria. I get to keep 6 of them. This one is not so good, but it's broken, so hopefully this will be okay though, because it has roots on it. And these are the other big ones too, the other babies. I have 4 in this big pot, and I have this in the IKEA pot, and hopefully this pot is not too tiny for this baby, and that goes for inside my house, and this one goes inside my house. This one is the one that looked nice. It deserves to get displayed on a shelf. So these are the 2 that's going in the house. That one. These are the 2, and this one is going to be right out here in my patio to hopefully grow, and I will never touch this or break it ever. I'm gonna observe this, and this will be my experiment and see the growth on this one, and see how this grows, and hopefully I'll have more babies soon and be able to, like, you know, multiply in my yard. So I love this plant and I'm happy for this, and also I get to keep the roots because she's not sure if this will be growing in her area. And you know, I put 4 of the roots here, and hopefully this will grow too. And I put this in this nursery pot, and another one that just are roots. There's 2 in here. No, probably I have 5 roots, I believe. So 3 here and 2 here. So these are the other roots that I'm going to see if it grows. And I forgot to show you this. You've probably seen it and thinking it was a perlite, but these are, I believe, lizard babies. So I don't know if this is I'm just gonna leave it in here, or I don't know guys. So I'll just keep it in this pot, and maybe we'll have some baby lizards soon. Hopefully it's a lizard. All right, yeah, I forgot to show you this. Alright guys, so these are all my babies. Hopefully this will thrive in my garden. And well, these are all for now, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.